If you're having problems with the Wi-Fi on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just reboot your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And also restart your Wi-Fi router. Sometimes a simple restart can fix your Wi-Fi issues. But if this did not fix your issue, then you can try the next step. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. And over here, you will find the option of VPN and Device Management. Just tap on it. Now, if there is any VPN connected to your iPhone, just disconnect it from here. And after you do that, then go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap on the eye icon in front of your connected Wi-Fi network. And over here, you will find the option of Configure DNS. Just tap on it. Now, if it is on manual, just select Automatic. After you select Automatic, now just check if this fixes your issue or not. But if this also did not fix your issue, then go back to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, you will find the option of Date and Time. Just tap on it, and from here just make sure that the date and the time of your iPhone are correct. Most of the time the Wi-Fi issue appears when the date and time of your iPhone are incorrect. For that, just tap on the date and set the date manually from here. Just like that. After that, just tap on time, and from here you can set the time manually from here. Or you can enable Set Automatically. And if you enable this feature, your iPhone will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. And after you do that, then go back and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset Network Settings. Now this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. It will just reset all the network settings of your iPhone. Now if this also did not fix your issue, then go back to Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Now if this toggle is disabled, just enable it from here. And after you do that, then tap on System Services, and under the System Services section, you will find the option of Networking and Wireless. Now just turn off this option. Select Turn Off. Now just wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. But if you have done all that and if none of the methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the Wi-Fi problems on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.